Hi everybody, my name is Paul Stewart from Elite Wealth Property Consulting here in Dubai. I thought I'd do a quick video explaining what we do for clients because we're not an accountancy firm and we're not a financial services company. So I just wanted to position ourselves alongside other players in the marketplace. We actually work alongside professionals like accountants, lawyers, wealth managers and finance brokers. We don't do tax accounts and we definitely don't give investment advice or financial advice. We're actually here to provide some specialist tax planning tools for the clients of accountants, lawyers, wealth managers and finance brokers. In the UK, I've been operating a similar tax advisory business and we get referrals from accountants and wealth managers and lawyers, so we wanted to do the same over here. What we provide is unique access to some specialist tools that remove UK tax on expats' investments as well as tax paid by offshore buyers of UK property. Now, whilst I don't work for the HMRC in the UK, I've actually got plenty of experience of working for business owners in the UK in terms of tax planning for them. And I've been doing this for over 35 years now, and we make use of statutory tools rather than strange offshore loopholes. We use things like genuinely diverse exempt unit trusts, QNUPs and SSASs. If you want to know what those are, you can of course ask, but they're all enshrined within legislation and it's basic legislation as opposed to any strange offshore structures. So let's have a look as an example. First of all, here we've got a UK expat who's very happy with life, earning a decent salary, which is totally tax-free, and probably building up some spare cash. Now, if they go to a wealth manager and they say to the wealth manager, here's some money, I'd like you to invest it for me. The wealth manager may give them a fantastic rate of return. So now they've got their original money, plus they've got growth and everyone is happy until such time as the expat passes away and the Inland Revenue look at the value and say, thank you very much. We'll have 40% of the entire future value as inheritance tax. Now, if the expat were to be investing in UK property, not only does inheritance tax apply, but the situation is even worse. On the way through, there are very specific property taxes governed by the non-resident landlord legislation. So they'll be paying tax anywhere from 20 to 25% on all of the rent on their properties in the UK, even if they're living over here in a tax-free environment. So for expats, if you look after them as a wealth manager or an accountant or a lawyer, then all day long we can help them. And if you're an expat who happens to have a UK business, then my existing structures over in the UK, like segmented solutions, may well be able to assist with some tax tools to reduce tax in the UK business as well. So let's run through a quick example. Here we have a UK expat with an investment of £500,000, and it's growing at a nothing too exciting rate, 6.5% per annum, just a straightforward investment, and everyone's quite happy, until they look at the amount of inheritance tax. And in this particular case, that's actually more than the original investment. The tax here, based on these assumptions, is $704,000, which is absolutely shocking. And of course, our job is to provide the structure so that this wealth manager's investment doesn't suffer inheritance tax. If we're introduced to non-UK domicile clients who don't have this inheritance tax problem to worry about, the main thing to worry about is if they're investing in UK property, they're normally advised that they should do that within a UK limited company, and that means they're going to have to pay 25% tax on all of the rent or profits on sale. And if you're an offshore property owner, it's really frustrating to have taxes deducted by the UK tax authorities. So if you're selling properties to anyone and those properties are in the UK and you've got offshore clients, then we can provide the wrapper that allows that investment to grow without any tax on the rent. And over a period of years, that 25% tax on the rent can build up to be a significant sum. So it's very well worthwhile doing this for non-domicile clients, even although they don't have to pay inheritance tax. So in general terms, a summary of what we do is we make sure that there's no tax on UK property investments and no inheritance tax on expats' own personal investments, irrespective of them coming back to the UK. So that was a quick summary, and the company is Elite Wealth Property Consulting, and my name is Paul Stewart. Please do go ahead and go onto our website and book a call. I don't mind talking with wealth managers, accountants, lawyers, or indeed clients directly. There's absolutely no obligation. It's just a conversation to find out what your scenario is and to see if we can be of service. So please do look us up. paul@elitewealthproperty.com is my email address, and the website address is elitewealthproperty.com. We have other videos that explains how we do this, but this was just a little introduction to explain who we are and what we do. And thank you very much indeed for your patience in listening to the video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.